To add liquidity in Uniswap SDK, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a smooth and successful process. First, you need to understand what Uniswap is and how it works. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that facilitates automated liquidity provision. The Uniswap SDK is a set of tools that allows developers to interact with the Uniswap protocol. To add liquidity, you will need to install the Uniswap SDK and set up a wallet. You can use a library like Ethers.js to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and a wallet like MetaMask to manage your Ethereum account. Once you have the Uniswap SDK installed and a wallet set up, you need to choose the pool you want to add liquidity to. Uniswap has multiple pools for different token pairs, so you need to select the one that matches the tokens you want to add. After selecting the pool, you need to calculate the amount of tokens you want to add as liquidity. You can use the Uniswap SDK to calculate the optimal amount of tokens to add based on the current pool reserves. It is essential to note that adding liquidity to Uniswap involves providing both tokens in a pair, so you need to have a balance of both tokens in your wallet. When you have determined the amount of tokens you want to add, you can use the Uniswap SDK to create a transaction that adds liquidity to the pool. This transaction will require you to approve the transfer of tokens from your wallet to the Uniswap protocol. After the transaction is confirmed, you will receive liquidity provider tokens that represent your share of the pool. These tokens can be used to claim your share of the trading fees generated by the pool. It is crucial to monitor your liquidity provision and adjust it as needed to ensure you are earning the maximum amount of trading fees. You can use the Uniswap SDK to track the performance of your liquidity provision and make adjustments to optimize your returns. Adding liquidity to Uniswap can be a complex process, but by following these steps and using the Uniswap SDK, you can provide liquidity to the protocol and earn trading fees. Always make sure to follow best practices and stay up to date with the latest developments in the Uniswap ecosystem to ensure a successful and profitable experience.